Hey friends, today we are gonna draw Greg Heffley, but this time with 4 different funny expressions. So let's start. First expression, we're gonna go with a cool mood, but he's kind of sad. He's always sad, honestly. So first, for that, we're gonna make a circle. Try to do it as perfect as you can, and don't connect this because we're going to make like the nose. Okay, that looks good. And the hair. Now let's make the glasses. I'm gonna color in the glasses like that, and okay, that looks nice. And now we're going to draw the mouth. Always, he's sad. Oh, we forgot the ear. Okay. Nice. So that's cool expression. Now we're going to make, what expression should we make? Like, you know, kind of scared. Okay, I got an idea. Okay, so of course for that we're gonna make the face first, like the border for the face. Not bad. Now we're going to repeat the same steps. Bald. Bald. That's a giant eyeball. We can make that. That looks silly, honestly. It looks kind of silly. Okay, now we're going to draw a sad face. Okay, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Okay, now we're going to make another one. I'm gonna give him some like eyebrows to make it kind of angry. I've never seen him angry. Barely. But I love reading it. I almost have like the whole collection of like Wimpy Kid. Okay, now we're gonna make one more, no, like 2 more. So again, we're going to make a circle. You can use my drawings for like, you're like making a comic, Wimpy Kid comic, and you can use my expressions to know. Now we're going to make the original eyes, and the face in this one is kind of weird. That is weird. That is so weird. Okay, and now we're going to color this, and we're gonna leave the spot for the tongue. The eyebrows, and there we go. Now we're going to draw another one. Now this one's kind of tricky, but it's also like good. I don't know, it's not that tricky. It's just very different and very unique. I got an idea. So again, I'm gonna make the nose, the ear, the hair. Well, that looks like an ear. Okay. Yes. Now we're going to make the normal, regular eyes. And that. And like bubbles. I don't know what I'm making bubbles for, but I just want to. Like, he just woke up and he's not in a good mood, and yeah. So that's it for today. Don't forget to tell me which expression was your favorite in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye for now.